Nicole's bike, and we got Luke's. Off we go. Halfway point, Luke.
Hi.
We're dying a little bit now.
I didn't think you were I don't know what to say. Hi.
Hey, someone else is coming down. Do you want to hold the camera for a bit? Hold it up. You're such a spat. You put it way up. Yeah, alright, go. I'll do it. That'll be lovely. Get in there.
Get in there?
Yeah, go for it. Last time we were here, didn't we get pictures of climbing up that bit?
I'm going to get stuck in there though.
Yeah,
Got to put that in there as well. I'll get stuck.
You're gonna get stuck.
I'm a walrus.
Just walrus it up. Just try and go down as far as you can.
Everything you say you're not going to do, you're going to do.
Everything you can say and will be used against you in a court of law. It's very dodgy at the moment. Oh! I will document.
I will.
Oh mate, I am sinking. Oh wow.
I told you this would be with it, look at Luke.
Oh look, that's actually not safe, mate.
I know it's not.
Why is he making you do it? I've got to run quick. That's literally. Look at my leg. That's gone down like. That's quicksand. Give me a hand. Right,
I
your
told
turn.
you half his body went in.
Your
I'm not
turn.
going in there.
If anything bad happens, I'll passively open my Tinder account.
I'm not going in there.
Right. Oh.
You're like an idiot.
A what?
Like an idiot.
No, I don't care. Go on, have a
To my life, did you feel another star? You fade away, afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see yours alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary?
Luke, come in here.
Shall we go on a ride? Oh, do you want to warm them up?
Say people go, this particular time was extra special. And though you might be gone, and the world may not know, still I see you celestial. Like a lion you ran, a goddess you rode, like an eagle you circle. Perfect purple. So how come things move on? How come cars don't slow when it feels like the end of my world? Wanna shoot but I can't let you go. But when I'm there's a light that you give me when I'm your shadow. There's a feeling you give me and never goes. Like brothers in blood, sisters who ride, and we swore on the night we friends till we die. With the changing of winds and the way water flows, life is short as the falling snow. And now I'm gonna miss you. Oh. When I'm
Go then.
I need to edit you out or have Matt out.
What?
Holding my feet up.
Do a handstand, go on, flop it. No, don't. I think it's quite risky, don't bother.
Quite risky, we've taken a lot of risks around
I'll be honest, that's the least of her risks.
it. Yeah, isn't
Being with you is
it? You record?
Obviously. What? Don't be dodgy. Oh, the caves are dead end, I think.
Fucking gang. And then like, who does anything? It's just like pretty quiet.
What we're waiting for in my mind, in my head. This is where we all came from. In my mind, in my head. This is where we all came from.
Come on. Go that way.
In my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for.
What? What happened? Stepped on a flop.
Freaking stuck.
What was that all about?
Oh, it's so cold. It's horrible.
Well, Luke, you're literally...
Because I got my foot wedged.
I've got that film.
Special.
Oh, that's very sinister looking. Look, you really choose the awkward way across.
It's fine.
Oh!
Is that okay?
Go on, Luke, after you, I've got to film you full.
Can you stop whispering to me that I'm gonna die?
I'll have to go first, then, won't I? Because you got me and baby. Oh, wow. Oh, there's birds. Oh, I thought they were bats then.
They are?
They're pigeons. Fucking Bruce Wayne's
Fucking hold
cave.
it up so you're looking at them then.
Mate, this thing looks everywhere. It's a 360 camera, you absolute spastic boy.
Can you take all the voice out of all of this?
No.
Please.
I want the abuse to be left in.
I will throw sand on at you. This water's really cold. I'm not going any further, I don't want to cut my teeth.
Seeing as Luke is weak, we'll just...
Whispering.
Right, let's go. Yeah, why are you whispering? What are you
Because she
saying?
thinks
Creep?
we're going to die.
No, it wasn't the camera.
Please fall, Luke. It drips on.
I can't remember my back there. Oh, my t-shirt's not wet. What a result?
What a result indeed.
The city's crowded, my friends are away, and I'm on my own. It's too hard to handle, so I gotta get up and go. It's a cruel summer, leaving me here on my own. It's a cruel summer. Now you're gone. It's a cruel summer, leaving me here on my own. It's a cruel summer. Now you're gone. It's a cruel summer. Now you're gone. You're not the only one. It's a cruel summer. Leaving me here on my own. It's a cruel summer. Now you're gone. You're not the only one. It's a cruel.
The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God. There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. I hear a lot about sins. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river. Because the way that the sky opens up when we touch, yeah, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. like a track star. Can we end the second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end the second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy.
Do you recall not long ago we would walk on the sidewalk, innocent? Remember, all we did was scared for each other, but the night was warm. We were going young. All around, wind blows. We would only hold on to let go. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. Oh, we need somebody to lean on. What will we do? Are we get out? Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side, standing strong as the waves roll over? When the nights are long, longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows. We would only hold on to let go. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We would need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. All we need is somebody to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We would need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. All we need is somebody to lean on.
That's reasonable.
Huh?
Here's to the ones that we got. She's the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause it treats me like old memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost all the way, 'cause it treats me like old memories. And the memories bring back
Oh my god,
memories,
your pants on
memories.
really got orange my
There's a
leg.
time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out and call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Going as close to say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause it takes me back on memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost all the way, 'cause it takes me back old memories. And the memories bring back, memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost, when I felt all of the air.
How do I stop recording?
For the start. Now my heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dawn. I can read these torches for you, let you know I'll never drive. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say.